Did you know Julius Caesar walked straight into his own death despite countless warnings telling him to stay home? On March 15th, 44 BC, everything screamed danger. His wife Calpurnia woke up screaming from nightmares about his murder. A soothsayer grabbed his arm, shouting, "Beware the Ides of March!" Even the sacrificial animals showed terrible omens. But Caesar ignored them all and walked confidently into the Senate meeting. What he didn't know was that 60 conspirators were waiting with hidden daggers. The moment Tullius Cimber grabbed Caesar's toga, it began. 23 senators took turns stabbing him, one after another. Caesar fought back desperately until he saw his trusted friend Brutus among the attackers. "Et tu, Brute!" he gasped, then collapsed. They kept stabbing his lifeless body as blood pooled around Pompey's statue. That single murder triggered decades of civil war and destroyed the Roman Republic forever. One betrayal changed the course of history.